Okay, so in your Gmail, when you hit this cogwheel up here, you'll have some settings. So this is the density of how close your emails will be. So this is just up to you. Themes, that's up to you too. Inbox type, this is where I think you might find this important. So when you customize it, Google, because it's a search engine, will be able to read your emails and determine what is a primary email and what's kind of social, meaning more of like social media and promotion, someone's trying to sell you something. So primary emails are the ones that usually will come from the @Nauset Schools account, and this will happen automatically. One thing you may want to add to this is forums, because we could make your Google Classroom emails go directly into forums, and then that way it won't be in your primary box. So let's see what this looks like. Okay, so if you look here, primary is filtered this way. This is another tab for social. I don't have anything here. Promotional. So if you look, these are things that they're all trying to sell me something, right? So at this point, if I said, oh, this Creative Cloud thing, that's a primary for me. That's super important. You can grab it and pull it into the primary. And then it will ask you, do this for future messages? And if I say yes, then all of my Adobe Creative Cloud emails will show up under primary. It won't happen to your existing ones in there, but all future ones will then show up under primary. So basically, we need to teach it to go where you want it to go. So these classroom, right? So these classroom emails here, we want to create a filter for them. So this is how you do it. You can highlight those emails. And if you come up here to more, what we want to do is filter messages like these. So this is from noreply@classroom.google.com. So any email like this, if we create the filter, we could just have it archive it, which I don't think you want to do that, right? You want to apply a filter for it or categorize it as something. So we have all these options, but if you go and put it under forums, then all of your future emails from Google Classroom will show up under this tab. So that way you can search through there, and they should not show up again in the future under your primary. So hope this helps.